I failed as a content creator. Let's just get that out of the way before anything else. Not failed in a sense of I give up forever, or I had no talent, or I got hated so I give up. Nothing dramatic like that. Well, back in the beginning of class 12th, I started posting with more seriousness. I was not playing around, I was just putting effort, choosing good music, doing good edits and color grading, writing captions, SEO, just a phone and some scattered ideas in my brain that I believed were worth sharing. Some reels hit 1k views, 1.5k views, and a few touched 700 to 800 views. I was not viral, but it felt like real. Slowly, the views started dropping. At first, I ignored that, maybe bad timing, or maybe I didn't use the right sound. But then it kept happening 500 to 200, and then 100 to 30, 50. And I remembered one reel that had barely 15 views. Even I was spending hours to make those reels. That moment hit me, like I was thinking this is not working anymore, or something is really off. At first I blamed the algorithm like everyone does. I thought maybe the Instagram is not pushing me, maybe it's broken, maybe I need to delete and re-upload, maybe I'm posting on wrong timing. I started tweaking everything: hashtags, time slots, style, and captions. Even I googled the best timing to post in 2024. Like that would fix everything. But it didn't. But the truth was, the platform was not the problem. The problem was me. I was not consistent, and I don't mean posting daily or grinding 24 hours into 7. I mean consistent in identity. One week I was doing storytelling reels, and the next week I was editing the aesthetic visual. Then suddenly I posted about designing quotes and some deep cinematic voiceovers. I kept switching the tones, format, and even the personality without even letting the voice settle. And of course, the algorithm got confused with my audience. People didn't know what I stood for because I didn't either. I was just posting what I thought would work, or building something real, something repeatable, and I thought switching it up keep things fresh, but instead it just made me feel like I was restarting every week, and that kills the consistency. But let's also be real about the other part no one wants to admit. The internet is oversaturated now, and every niche is full, every sound is reused 500 times to 1000 times, every edit style is already exist, and even the people with great content are being buried under the algorithm randomness. If you're starting fresh today, you will walk into a marathon that's halfway done and the crowd's already tired. So yeah, I failed. I didn't stay in the one line, and I didn't build a brand. I didn't keep showing up. I took breaks and I doubted, and then finally I disappeared. Some people around me supported me, and a few friends said, "Your content is so good, bro. You will make it." Some reposted my content, but a lot just stopped watching, and you can't blame them. I was not consistent enough for anyone to stick around. And the hardest part was seeing my own potential dying quietly. To be very honest, I was chasing result, not the rhythm. Well, I started again. New account, new tone, and new mindset. No hype, no trailer post saying I'm back, just a quiet restart, because this time I'm not trying to blow up. I'm just trying to build a system, post by post, week by week. And I know that creativity is just part one. You will need also the structure, you will need the tone that people recognize. You need to stop resetting your entire identity every time a reel flops. Now I post what feels real, not what's trending, not what I think will go viral. And honestly, it felt way better, because even if I failed again, at least I will fail being myself, not the version I forced to perform well. The space is not easy anymore. Content creation is no longer just a passion. It's the discipline, positioning, and the patience. But if you can survive all without losing your mind, you can actually grow something solid. So yeah, I failed before, but I'm not quitting. I'm starting again, smarter, quieter, and clearer. And this time I'm not trying to go viral. This time I'm just trying to last. That's it.